Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Vita Mahjong to your bank account. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, look at the top of the screen and find the wallet balance. Tap on the balance to open the wallet or account section. In my region, it's not available right now, but in your region, it may be available. If available, you should do. When you see different withdrawal method, choose bank transfer as a payment option. After that, enter your amount of money you want to transfer to your bank. Make sure the amount meets the minimum withdrawal requirements shown on the screen. After that, you need to enter your bank details. This usually includes your bank name, account number, and account holder name. Take your time and double check it, all the details to avoid error. Once everything is good, tap confirm or submit. For security reason, Vita Mahjong may ask you to verify your request. This could be a code sent to your email or phone number. Enter the code to continue. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.